Hello, I'm in Disney Animal Kingdom. Finally here because we have some other attractions in this theme park. And I'm probably gonna go on the dinosaur ride. Everything here is a lot of people. I like coming here. And I haven't gone on the dinosaur ride yet, and I want to go on Expedition Everest, but they got that Bentora, the World of Avatar. Because sometimes, like, I have a brother over here. He's holding those Coke bottles. So, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. The thing area they haven't built was the Basic Kingdom that never built. Always remember that it was like a dragons and unicorns. They tried to get them here, but they couldn't do that. Alright, please just comment below and I hope you like it.